In this video, you will learn how to create stunning nature animation using the Morph Transition effect in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to the Insert tab and click on Picture. Go to this device, choose image related to nature and insert it. Go to the Insert tab, select text box, drag it. Write nature here. Select and change the color. Make it bold and increase size like this. Center your content. Go to Format, then Align Center and Align Middle. Go back to Insert and click on Picture. Insert picture from this device. Duplicate the leaves and set them like this. Select all leaves. Go to Picture Format. Select Distribute horizontally. Click on right button. Duplicate the slide. Select the leaves one by one. Rotate them and set them in such a way. Select text box, increase size. Select background picture. Go to picture format. Go to artistic effect. Select this. Go to the transition tab and select morph. Adjust the duration setting as needed. By following this tutorial, you have learned how to create stunning nature animation using the Morph Transition effect in PowerPoint. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.